Hi everyone. So my name is Ratnesh Mishra, and my project was to update the payment of Mojaloop connector to consume VNext APIs. So my mentors for this journey were Tom and Elijah. So let me give you a brief overview of the midterm progress that I did. So the first part was that I deployed the Mojafos successfully, and then we and me and Tom worked together to deploy the Mojaloop vNext as well through the Mojafos, and then we set up the payment hub so that we could run the operations APIs, and then we shifted to the Gazelle, which was the version 2 for Mojafos, and then we set up all the hosts and then run the services like bulk payment under the payment hub. So the end term goals for this journey were to set up all the microservices up so that they are up and running through Gazelle, and then configure all of the remaining hosts so that the all the APIs could be accessed through the Postman collections that are available, including the payment hub, Mifos and the Mojaloop APIs as well, and write complete documentations for helping others so that they can configure the Gazelle and set up all the services correctly, and then document the steps to run the APIs and the Postman collections as well. And then in the end, we I needed to test all the APIs that they should be running in an integrated manner across all of the services. So yes, we got the all microservices up and running fine, including the payment of Mifos and the VNext as well. And then the most difficult part was to configure the ingress host because the lack of documentations and the code complexity was a little high. So it took a little bit more time, but eventually we were able to configure all of the ingress hosts so that we can run the Postman collections, all the APIs that are present in the collections. And then, so to configure host, what we did was we added a single file that modifies all the charts and Helm charts and configures all of the ingress. So after doing this, I did a lot of research to determine how to run the APIs because still some configuration was needed to run the APIs. So I added some scripts, mainly a script that uploaded all the BPMN diagrams so that the APIs could run finally. And then I added steps to help users so that in setting up their APIs for the Postman collection, and then the environment, how to set up that as well. So, so this was the part that I did, and in future, since I was not able to contribute actually to the project that I was assigned to because I shifted my focus on working on the Gazelle right now. So in future, I will be working to update the connector as well and the right integration tests for that. And in the end, I will be documenting the process for updating the connector in that repository as well. So this was it, I guess, and it was a great journey. Thank you so much for this.